all out ang performances ng Vibe Jocks sa pilot episode ng newest all-OPM countdown show na Vibe. From singing to dancing to celebrity guests, abay, pasabog. Nasa frontline ng balitang yan, si News 5 digital producer Von Bilinario.
Concert feels ang pilot episode ng all-OPM countdown show na Vibe. Opening pa lang, pasabog na agad ang siyam na Vibe Jocks. Pinarinig nila ang kani-kanilang rendition ng mga sikat na OPM song. Siyempre, meron ding mga nag-duet. Special guest ang Tropical Depression.
Isigaw ng sabay-sabay pakayabahan.
Guest performers din sina Asia's timeless voice Dulce, ang bandang Hey Jun at hit OPM band na Mayonnaise.
Everybody say!
Of course, pinerform din ng Vibe Jocks ang kani-kanilang single sa isang special segment. Kilala Kita ni Elijah Canlas, Halika Na, Lika Na ni Maxi Andresen, at ang Maghapon ni Dylan Minor.
It's very successful. I'm very happy and I'm very honored to be part of the Vibe family. And this is just the beginning. This is just the start.
Nakiparty rin ang mga boss ng MediaQuest sa pangunguna ni Chairman Manny V. Pangilinan, MediaQuest and Signal TV President and CEO Jane Jimenez Basas at TV5 President Guido R. Zaballero.
I thought it was an excellent show and I hope it creates a movement, a new movement to revive OPM.
I'm very happy. It lived up to our vision. We wanted it to be fun. We wanted it to be young. We wanted the guests, young and old, to feel the vibe.
Ang captain of the ship na si Mr. M, thankful sa positive vibe sa show.
Wonderful. Para kami ng concert eh. Ang tagal namin hindi gumawa ng ganito. Thanks to MVP also.
Napapanood ang Vibe araw-araw sa TV5. Nagbabalita mula sa frontline, Von Bilinario, News 5.
Mga kapatid, Jervy Wrightson po, eto na nga. Para sa latest showbiz news at iba pang K-alaman, mag-follow at mag-subscribe na sa social media pages ng News 5.